In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload Excel files to Monday.com. Whether you're transferring data for the first time or you need a refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process. To start, let's head over to Monday.com. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL Monday.com. Once you're on the site, look for the Login button, which should be prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the Login page where you can sign in using your credentials. If you're using a Google account to log in, click on the Google option and select your account from the list. This is a secure and convenient way to access your Monday.com boards without the hassle of remembering more passwords. After you're logged in, navigate to the specific board where you want to import your Excel file. If you've used Monday.com before, this should be a familiar setup. If not, think of boards as your workspaces where you can manage various tasks and projects. Once you've located your board, look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen, next to the Invite button. You'll see three dots. This is your gateway to more options. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu, then choose More Actions. A list of additional features will appear. From this list, select Import Items. This option allows you to bring external data into your Monday.com workflow. Now it's time to select the file you want to upload. Click on Browse to open a file dialog box. Navigate through your computer files to find the Excel sheet you wish to upload. After selecting the file, the next step is to match the columns from your Excel file to the columns you want on your board. This mapping process ensures that all data points align correctly, avoiding any displacement of information. Dealing with duplicates is another important step. The platform may prompt you to handle any duplicate entries. Similar items can cause confusion, so carefully review any conflicts to ensure data integrity. Once you've addressed duplicates, you're ready to import. Click on the Import button, and the system will transfer your Excel file data into your board. And there you have it. With your data now imported, you can start leveraging Monday.com's robust tools to manipulate, analyze, or visualize your project management tasks. It's as simple as that. Hopefully, this guide makes the process smooth and straightforward, so you can focus more on what's important, getting things done. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.